Hello everybody, today we're going to be going over how to make a time-locked address using the Peercoin coin toolkit. So I went ahead and made a testnet address and sent myself 100 testnet Peercoins from the testnet faucet. If you want a link to that, it will be down below. And so if you want to make a time-locked address, you go to New, Time-Locked Address, and we're going to be using the OP check lock time verify command, or the OP Hodl, which asks for a public key that will be able to unlock the funds after a certain date. So we'll put in public key that I made earlier. And then the second option is the date and time where the transaction will be unlocked and spendable, or the block height. And so right now we are currently at this block. We're going to go ahead and set our unlock for 5 blocks from now. And it's going to generate this redemption script. And so this is the Hodl address where we will be sending coins from this address. And so we'll make a note of that here. This as well, because this is our little nifty redemption script, and so that's what we will be using to spend the coins later. So going to send our coins from the first address to our Hodl address. So new transaction, load the unspent. Also do make sure you are on the testnet or the correct net for your version. So it loads the 100 testnet Peercoin. It's 100. We will send 99.99. Go. Generate the transaction. Okay. Continue to verify. Continue to sign. Sign with my private key. Verify. You can see it's now signed. And we'll broadcast it. There we go. And so this will become available once the transaction's been verified, and you can see this redemption script here. So here's the Hodl address. Whoops, gotta make sure on the testnet. So our Hodl address from before, and it requires the signature from the first address, which was what we originally used to generate this, and it will be unlocked at this block height. And so we will check back once we've reached this block height. Okay, our transfer is confirmed, and so now we just have to wait until this block height passes, which is 441605, and we are currently at 441602, and so we will wait 3 more blocks, and then this transaction will be spendable. Okay, we've now surpassed our target block time, and so the coins held by the Hodl address, as you can see here, are now spendable. So I'm going to show you how to spend these coins that were locked up. And so you're going to go to the coin toolkit. We're going to make a new transaction. You're going to put in the script, the time lock script address that we generated earlier, and click load inputs. Make sure that we're on the right net. And here's the 99 testnet Peercoins we sent. And we are actually going to send that to a new address. There we go, this MS3. Because we don't want to reuse addresses. It's good practice, good security. We'll just hold on to that. So we're going to be sending it to, oopsie, here we go, to this new address, send 99.98. We have the correct amount of the transaction fee, and it generates the transaction. Continue to verify. It's not signed yet, and so we're going to sign it with the first key that we used to originally send testnet Peercoins to the Hodl address, right? Address A. So here it is. Private key. Sign. Verify. And now it's signed correctly. And we will click broadcast. And so here's the full transaction. And there it is. And it will show up when the next block goes through. And so that's how you generate a time-locked address, and how you send coins to the Hodl address, and then how you spend those coins and redeem them after the either target date or block height has been reached. So I hope you learned a little bit more about some of the features in the coin toolkit, and I hope you have a good rest of your day.